Okay, so she does want spinach in that? Where is the feta? That's all the feta we have? Okay, so I think you're gonna have to do that egg over. That omelet's gonna have to be a do-over. You gotta get everything ready first before you put that in. I think it's gonna be overcooked. What? You just drain that for me, put it in a little bowl, and I'll crumble it in. It's 3 scrambled eggs. And what else is in the scrambles? Okay. Salt and pepper or what? What? Okay. Okay, everything's gonna come out at the same time, right? Let me have that together, please. Yeah, I need that for the, alright, so crumble that and put it right here. And then we're gonna fold it over. Do you have the cheese? What kind of cheese do you want? Can I have 2 slices of cheddar, please? Or some, do we have a shredded here? Yeah, go grab that, please. We'll just crumble it out just enough. A little bit because we gotta turn that out. Let's get this, watch those eggs, don't brown them. I can't help you right now. You're gonna have to give me a minute. All right, you guys ready? Can you guys warm up that bacon for me real fast? I have it right here, it just needs to get warm because everything else is ready.
Bacon for side?
No, they ordered a bacon sandwich and we didn't toast it or anything. We just put it on dry bread. All right. I mixed it in. I'm done with these except for the bacon. Let's get them all set. Where's my plate with the where's my coleslaw and potato, dude? Come on. Where's the coleslaw and potato? Where's my pickle? Alright, where's the sauce ready? You got the scrambled egg? Put my pickle right here. Come on, come on. Watch yourself. Can we have something on this plate other than this? Got a little toast or something ready for them? Orange.